Oh, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2012 Ford Falcon, stock number 6149. This ran from 04 2008 to the 12 2016. It has a 4 litre 6-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the Barra 4 litre straight 6-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front door 1 dent. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag bowl tyre. Right rear taillight. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right front guard. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.